Hello friends, there's a sharp correction in the technology sector companies, and that has made some of these technology companies available at attractive valuation. So today I want to discuss the business of a very fast growing technology company that works on one of the hottest and the fastest growing technologies, including blockchain, cloud computing, machine learning, and so on. Before I reveal the name, let me share some of the quick facts about this company. Since 2016, the revenue of this company has grown from 432 crore to 3001 crore. So that's 600% growth in last 5 years. And its profits have grown from 7 crore to 501 crore. And that's 7000% growth in last 5 years. That's an unbelievable journey so far. And in this journey, the stock has generated more than 30 times return in 5 years. Company is virtually debt free and has generated a free cash flow of 613 crore in last 3 years. Now you would be wondering, if the stock has already gone up so much, why am I even talking about it? Because the reason is that in spite of this exponential growth, there's a huge growth prospect for this company in the next 5 to 10 years. It has a market cap of around 23,000 crore. Can you guess the name of this company? Well, it is Tanla Platform. So in this video, we'll discuss the fundamentals of Tanla Platform, where we'll cover its business profile, leadership, key strength, competitors, and future growth. And then we'll cover the financials of the company. Finally, we'll conclude if Tanla is fundamentally strong or not. But before we proceed, this video is not a buy or sell call on this stock. This is to help you understand the business of the company and then take an informed decision. Alright, let's get started. Founded in 1999, Tanla Platform is a cloud communication company based out of Hyderabad. Tanla Platform basically works on CPaaS technology, that is Communication Platform as a Service. Communication Platform as a Service is a cloud-based delivery model that enables the enterprises to add voice, video, and messaging feature to their existing business software using APIs. CPaaS allows enterprises to cherry-pick real-time communication feature and embed them into your apps and services. Just to give you an idea, CPaaS technology is one of the fastest growing technology in the telecom sector, and it is expected to grow multifold times in the next few years. Tanla was the first company to develop and deploy A2P SMSC in India. So A2P SMSC stands for App to Person Short Message Service Center. Its purpose is to send SMS on behalf of mobile user and to deal with bulk SMS from application. Now, one of the simple use case of this A2P SMSC is OTP service. We all know how important the OTPs are, especially when it comes to bank login or any transaction confirmation or any authorization. And that's where Tanla helps the enterprises in sending the bulk SMS and OTPs. In fact, Tanla Platform was the technology partner of Indian government during COVID vaccination. So the COVID app that we use for vaccination used Tanla service for OTP. Now you can imagine the scale of Tanla business. Tanla processes more than 800 billion interactions annually, and about 62% of India's A2P SMS traffic is processed through its distributed ledger platform called TrueBlock, making it the world's largest blockchain use case. So 2021 has been a marquee year for Tanla with successful launch of two massive platforms, TrueBlock and Wisely. By the way, I've already covered this company in detail long back in my weekly video series on my website when Tanla was trading at around 1060. So if you look at the products, TrueBlock is the world's first blockchain-enabled CPaaS stack, processing over 270 billion transactions so far. Recently, Tanla has partnered with Microsoft and launched a product called Wisely in January 2021. So it is a blockchain-enabled communication platform as a service offering built on Microsoft Azure. It's basically a unique marketplace for enterprises and suppliers. Wisely offers a global edge-to-edge network that delivers your private, secure, and trusted communication experiences. Tanla is the leader in Indian CPaaS industry with 42% revenue market share and around 800 billion interactions per year. If you look at the business segment of Tanla, it works with both enterprises as well as telecom operators. For example, enterprises uses Tanla Platform for SMS marketing, two-factor authentication where the user get the OTP to login, omnichannel communication via your SMS, voice call, chat apps, email, push notification, and so on. Mobile operators uses Tanla for services like SMS Firewall that monitors your SMS traffic, plug revenue leakage, and protect network from spam, spoof, and other abuses. Then it provides A2P SMSC service, that is app to person short message service center to telecom companies for A2P messaging. So it is basically to send messages via app. If you look at the leadership, its chairman and CEO is Mr. Uday Reddy. He is also the founder of the company. So he's the chief architect of the growth, making Tanla one of the largest publicly traded cloud communication company. Mr. Uday holds MBA degree from Manchester Business School, UK. If you look at the key strength of the company, Tanla's key strength is innovation. Innovation was the key reason for the exceptional growth of Tanla platform. It created tools that worked on latest CPaaS technology and uses blockchain and other technologies like machine learning. And if you look at the competitors, Tanla competitor in India is Route Mobile. If you look at the future growth, by 2023, the global CPaaS industry is estimated to grow to $47 billion. And by 2023, Indian CPaaS addressable market is expected to grow to $1.1 billion. The growth momentum would be driven by accelerated adoption of digital transformation by enterprises, then increasing smartphone user base for commerce and communication, and need for personalized and targeted communication driven by omnichannel experience. Overall, 90% of enterprise globally will adopt CPaaS driven growth in coming years. In 2018, Tanla had acquired Karix Mobile for 340 crore. So Karix is a leading business cloud communication provider with reach to over 1500 enterprise clients in various industries across the country. With this transaction, Tanla became one of India's leading enterprise cloud communication provider with top customers in banking, insurance, automotive, DTH, retail, and many other platforms. Then Tanla also acquired Gamuga, which is a big data and AI-driven omni-channel marketing automation platform which enables businesses personally engage with their users across channels including SMS, email, voice, website, app, and other leading channels. Gamuga is a marketing automation service provider for B2C company. Moreover, Tanla's two latest products, Wisely and Trublock, have immense growth potential. Trublock, which is a blockchain platform, has 63% market share in India and it manages more than 1 billion transactions a day. Then Wisely, which is in partnership with Microsoft, has already onboarded 2 of the top 10 Indian banks for secure and critical notification. Then it has also entered with a multi-year partnership with Vodafone Idea, which is one of the largest deals in CPaaS industry globally. Tanla would go live with solutions in February 2022. There are also 2 new partnerships that Tanla would announce soon in February 2022. It is also in the final stage of rolling out its GTM, that is go-to-market strategy for Wisely globally. So the growth potential for Tanla is not restricted only in India. It would be global. Tanla chairman and CEO Mr. Uday Reddy says that we are not here for linear thinking. We are here for large opportunities. My team is just fired up to be the fastest growing CPaaS company at scale in the world. We are just getting started. So you can understand the confidence level and the growth prospect for Tanla. If you look at the growth ratio, Tanla revenues have grown from 432 crore in FY16 to 3001 crore by December 21. Look at the consistent and exponential rise in the revenues over the last 5 years. The CAGR rate of growth is 40%, which is exceptional. Tanla profit have grown from 7 crore in FY16 to 501 crore by December 21. There was one-time fall in net profit in FY20 due to one-time adjustment in depreciation. The CAGR growth in profit is 110%, which is crazy. So now you can see how this company has grown crazily in last 5 years. This was mainly due to their innovative products using the latest technologies. The one-time fall in profit was only due to high depreciation, otherwise the operating profits were positive in FY20. If you look at the profitability, Tanla's latest ROE is 44.6% and ROCE is 52%, which is simply brilliant. If you look at the debt to equity, company has a debt to equity of 0.04, which is negligible. Now you really find companies that are growing crazily and have such high profitability with almost negligible debt levels. And that's the recipe of a multi-bagger company. No wonder, in the last 2.5 years, Tanla share price has jumped more than 30 times. If you look at Tanla's shareholding pattern, its promoters have consistently increased shareholding in the company from 35.06% to 43.74%. FIS have also increased the shareholding from 0 to 13.47%. The most interesting aspect of shareholding pattern is that in spite of a crazy jump in share price, promoters have consistently increased the shareholding in the company. Tanla has announced its quarterly result and its revenue is up 35% year on year and profits are up 68% year on year. So Q3 has again been a very good performance. So in this video, we discuss the fundamentals of Tanla platform. Company is in the business of CPaaS, that is communication platform as a service. It uses the latest technologies like blockchain, cloud, machine learning, etc. to provide services to both enterprises and telecom operators, including SMS, OTP, push notification, secure messaging, etc. Tanla is the leader in India's CPaaS industry with 42% revenue share, and this industry is growing fast. Tanla is growing both organically and inorganically with acquisition. Its financials are looking rock solid with amazing growth and profitability and negligible debt. Company's promoters have consistently increased their stake in the company. That shows the confidence of the promoter in the company. It is currently trading at around rupees 1700 at a P ratio of 46. Although a P of 46 is normally considered high, but considering the fact that Tanla is growing rapidly, it would command a premium. The share has already corrected around 20% from its peak and its PEG ratio is less than 1. That makes it attractive even at current levels. Any fall in this stock would be an opportunity to buy on dips. But like I said, please do your research before investing your money. I hope you will find this video useful. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.